Okay guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Gadzhi G1 blue light blockers here. They come in I got the matte gray color. This is from Iman Gadzhi's clothing line, Gadzhi. And they come in this box here, so I'm going to unbox it. This came in via DHL in like a bag container. So opening these up here, nice box. As you can see right there, you've got a nice inner box. This is a very high quality, very heavy kind of material. It's got kind of a texture like a silk or like a smooth but kind of soft rubbery texture on it. You see the Gadzhi logo there. And then this box just comes open. It's got a magnet. So it's right there. You see the only thing worse than being blind is having sight but no vision. So some inspirational text there. It's pretty cool. So inside of the glasses themselves, in a bag here, and then just the only other thing is just another little container. And this actually has a little microfiber cloth in it. So this is another, it's like an embossed Gadzhi cloth for wiping your glasses. Really high quality. Nice texture. So these are designer glasses. So this is the Gadzhi line, the G1. I suppose they'll probably be limited edition, maybe not. These retail right now at the time of recording for 85 pounds, British pounds, which is about 117 US dollars. And they ship to, I'm in Missouri, so about the center of the country for about $20, 14 British pounds. So you'd have to get about for $137, you could have these in the country. But yeah, no, they feel really good. You know, metal, really good snaps. These are blue light blocking glasses. You can see the Gadzhi there on the side, and then it's not on that side. But these are the G1. I got the matte gray color. So it's kind of like a semi-translucent, not semi-opaque kind of material with the blue light blocking. The lenses, not sure if you can really see it. They kind of have a bit of a hue to them. So they're supposed to block all light under 410 nanometers, and then you have reflective coating, anti-static, safeties while driving. And they're pretty clear. So yeah, really nice blue light blocking glasses, designer Gadzhi. Get your entrepreneurial spirit, get your Aura ring, and you're off to the races. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Have a good day.